On this first Monday of the year, I extend my warmest greetings to the men and women of the Philippine National Police. Happy New Year to all of you. A new year brings renewed purpose and a clear responsibility to serve with discipline, consistency, and care. I commend all the PNP personnel deployed nationwide, including augmentation units and other partners and our partners from advocacy groups. Your presence in high traffic areas, transport hubs, and community centers help maintain order and give reassurance to families, the travelers, and communities throughout the holiday period. Because of your vigilance and discipline, New Year celebration and across the country were generally peaceful and orderly. Nagpapasalamat din tayo sa sambayanang Pilipino sa kanilang pakikiisa at pakikinig sa ating mga paalala. Overall, the New Year celebration proceeded smoothly and without major disruption, despite the limited number of reported firecracker-related injuries. Ang selebrasyon ay naging maayos at mapayapa. Ito ay patunay na kapag ang pulis at mamamayan ay nagtutulungan, nagiging mas ligtas ang ating komunidad. As we move forward, our immediate focus shifts to the Feast of the Black Nazarene and the Translation. This event gathers millions of devotees and with it comes a complex security environment that requires careful planning and full coordination. Let me be clear. There will be no let-up in our security preparations. We will remain proactive, alert, and ready to protect lives, respect faith, and ensure the orderly conduct of this significant occasion. Sa pagsisimula ng bagong taon, hinihikayat ko ang bawat isa na panatilihin ang disiplina, profesionalismo at malasakit sa tungkulin. Patuloy nating patunayan ang kalidad ng ating serbisyo sa pamamagitan ng maayos na aksyon, malinaw na pananagutan at paggalang sa karapatan ng bawat mamamayan. This is how we move forward as one organization. This is how we build a bagong PNP para sa bagong Pilipinas. Serbisyong mabilis, tapat, at nararamdaman.